Clayton off-road track bars, what makes them so badass, and some helpful tips and tricks to make sure you install them properly. A quality adjustable track bar is essential to help keep your axle centered under your Jeep. This will keep your bushings from binding up, eliminate unnecessary spring bow, and give you equal steering turning from left to right. Clayton off-road track bars do include rubber joints at each end to help absorb and soak up any road noise or vibration. This is in stark contrast to a lot of other brands that have metal-on-metal Heim joints, which require a ton of service and give you a lot more road noise and vibration through the rest of your Jeep. These are going to be more beneficial and give you a much longer lifespan of service on these track bars. Here's a pro tip to help increase the lifespan of all rubber bushings when you install a Clayton off-road lift kit. The first step is to install both your front lower and rear lower control arms to set the wheelbase. Go ahead and install your front and rear track bars, and then to finish it up, install your front and rear upper control arms. If while installing those upper control arms on the front or rear, you have issues installing the second one, do not jack up the front of the Jeep and try and force those holes to line up. All you need to do is simply adjust the length of that second control arm and put the bolt through. What this is going to do is reduce the risk of any premature bushing failure on either the front or rear track bar and help prolong the life of the rubber bushings. And just as a reminder, all Clayton off-road control arms and track bars do have a lifetime warranty against bending or breaking.